I'm back with a new video. It's your average sneaker guy, but y'all know the average don't stand for average, and I'm coming at y'all with a new series called Kids on Feet. But before we get into that, can I get y'all to hit that like button if y'all rock with your boy? If you don't, hit that dislike, and I still appreciate y'all. Now, let's get into this Kids on Feet. The first episode gonna be the Air Jordan Stage Haze. Now, before we get a look at how these things look like on feet, we gotta take a 360 look. Bam, look at that booty. That big booty. They go to media side. They go to toe box. And that toe box got that soft premium leather on it. They go to tongue with the Nike Air in that pink colorway. I guess it's pink. Come with some extra laces. Come with some pink laces. They go to inside with the pink sole. Black laces right there. They go to the bottom of the sneaker. Bam. And on the toe box, you got that cracked leather. That cracked material right there. You also have it on the top right there. To me, I think Nike brand did a good job with that. You got this suede gray on the back. Premium suede on the back. Bam. Look at that. Look at that. Bam. And like I said, it comes with good leather on this shoe. But that ain't why we here. Let's go see what these things look like on feet, man. Thank y'all for rocking with another video. If y'all made it this far, if you haven't already, make sure y'all hit that like button and help the channel grow. If you haven't, make sure y'all hit that sub button and come join your average sneaker guy nation. We're on this road to 50K, so let's get 100 new subs on this video with 100 new likes. And with that being said, I'm your average sneaker guy, but y'all know the average don't stand for average, and I'll see y'all in the next Kids on Feet. Turn on those notice, because you never know what I might be rocking today. In the meantime, stay blessed. I'm out of here.
Turn me up.